Okay, so a lot of people have been asking me about the stock market project, and in an effort to not keep doing the same thing over and over, I'm making this video to kind of go over the basics of the stock market project, how you should start, where you should be now, and kind of a step by step of how to do the charts and the graph at the end. So you should already have four checks on your stocks at this point, and we'll do a check tomorrow. I'm going to explain from start to finish where you should be at in the stock market project. If you still have questions, though, you can come ask me any day that I'm doing tutoring. Okay, step one of the stock market project is selecting your stocks. So you need to go in and choose three stocks that you feel confident in. It doesn't necessarily have to be three stocks that you think will gain a lot of money, but it can be three stocks that you know. So Walmart, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, any of those stocks that when you type them in Yahoo Finance, you can find them. You can choose any of those stocks to be in your stock market project.
Now we're going to look at the charts and graphs section of the stock market project. You need to pick the three stocks that you want to invest in. You see that I've invested in Apple, Facebook, and Walmart. And then you need to go in and figure out how many shares you can buy with your $50,000. So I bought 121 shares of Walmart for $89.64 a share, and so I spent $10,846.44 on Walmart. Now we're going to look at the section where you have to fill out for your individual stocks. So I'm only going to go over one with you, and from me doing that one, you should be able to do the rest of your three. So I'm going to look at Walmart, which has a trading ticker symbol of WMT. And then for me, under date at the top, I write down the initial price, which was $89.64. And then I'm going to write down the dates that we had our checks. So we had our first check on August the 17th. Our second check was on August the 24th. Our third check was on August the 31st. And then our fourth check was on September 10th. And so I put this in Google, and I Googled Walmart stock price on August 17th. And a Yahoo Finance site popped up that showed me the prices for this stock for like the past 6 months. So that's where I'm getting these numbers from. And so on the 17th, it was 97.77. On the 24th, it was 95.09. On the 31st, it was 96.19. And then on the 10th, it was 96.11. And so in order to get your net change for August 17th, you would take 97.77, which is the price of Walmart stock on that date, and subtract 89.64, which is the last time you checked that stock. So on August the 17th, when I checked Walmart stock, I had gained $8.13. Then you do the same thing for the 24th. So $95.09, that is a net change of negative $2.68. You do the same thing for the 31st. On the 31st, it was 96.19, which is a positive $1.10 change since the last time I checked it on the 24th. And then for the 10th, it was 96.11, which is a negative 8-cent change since the last time I checked it. In order to get your performance, you multiply your net change by the number of shares you own. I own 100 shares of Walmart. So in order to get performance for August the 17th, I would take $8.13 multiplied by 100. So my performance was I gained $813 in my total portfolio for Walmart. I do the same thing for the rest of the dates. So for August the 24th, I lost $268. For August the 31st, I gained $110. And for September the 10th, I lost Alright, so let's look at the cumulative report, guys. And I completely make these numbers up, but let's just do some for the 17th and the 24th. So let's say that on August the 17th, I gained $5.75 in Apple. I lost $2.36 on Facebook, and I gained 75 cents with Walmart. I would add up those totals, and then I would get my total change in my portfolio, and that is going to be positive $4.14. And then let's just say on the 24th, I lost $2.66 with Apple. I lost 80 cents with Facebook, and I gained $1.50 with Walmart. Well, my total change for my portfolio for that week would be negative $1.96. So we're going to go over how to graph that. So let's look at how to do the last part, which is graphing your profit or loss. You want to put performance on the y-axis, which is up and down, and the dates on the x-axis, which are left and right. So you can see that I label my axes, accordingly, and then I've kind of put and gone up by 2 with my performance. And so remember that on the 17th, my portfolio had gained $4.14. So I'm going to put a dot a little bit over 4. But then on the 24th, I lost $1.96. So I'm going to go down a little, like almost $2 on my chart.